our student Manish will place in the company. Now he will introduce himself. Can you please?
Hi, I am Manish Singh from Bihar. I have did my graduation in 2024 from Dr. NGR Educational and Research Institute in the stream of B.TECH CC.
What are the technologies you learned from this institute?
Before joining this institute, I am not having knowledge, but here after joining, I got to know Core Java by Vivek sir and Advanced Java by Ms. Radha ma'am and SQL by Gautam sir and Web Technology by Nigran sir and Aptitude by Mo sir.
Other than this technologies subject, you gained anything from this institute? From the interview?
Time to time they are making that presentation and mock, which helps a lot to get the crack the interviews and all those, and also improves the communications.
Okay. How many interviews were attended from this institute?
From this institute, total number of interview I have attended 3. In that 2 I got selected, and I having 2 offer letters also. So I am going to continue with 1.
Good. What's the package?
Package is 6 LPA.
Good. And once again, congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you.
All the best.